What are you doing, Ginger? Chewing on his head?
It's snowing. They're getting restless.
Roof, speak to me. Look at them flakes, baby.
Oh, I know.
Hi, buddy.
It's really coming down.
Wow. That could accumulate really fast. Give me that paw. Good girl. Good girl. You're coming down, ain't it?
She's tripped him. She's tripped him.
Get him, Ginger.
A little figure 4 on his butt.
He probably can't handle your weight. You got a snowflake in your eye, I can see.
Can you see me? Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Mama's girl. Hi, Mama's girl.
Look at them paws on him.
Hi, girl. She smelled my breath.
Woof.
Get your ball.
Addie's so beautiful.
Get your ball. Man, those snowflakes are big.